Hey, today I will tell you about the best domain registrar service. After testing a huge number of registrars in this category, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. I have been using this service for 7 years now. It is a very reliable and highly efficient domain name registrar. In this short video, I will show you 5 very useful life hacks that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best domain registrars category. It's about domain.com. I will leave the link to the official website under this video. Look carefully at the screen so as not to miss the most important thing.
Hello everyone! If you want to register your domain, then you are at the right place. Today I will tell you in detail about a very interesting and proven service that you will like. Domain.com is a domain registration and hosting company since 2000. She tries to provide innovative products and services at an affordable price. The provider specializes in affordable domain names, hosting, email, SSL certificates, web design, and online marketing services. Free domain services including URL forwarding, email forwarding, blocking, transfer, full DNS management give users complete control over their portfolios. 24-hour technical support is always ready to help you by phone or via online chat. Extensive experience and an extensive customer base mean that the company is reliable and safe. Domain.com is a company that has been used by clients around the world since 2000. It offers a full range of services that are needed by those who are developing their own internet project, from creating a website and registering a domain name to hosting and SSL certificates. The advantages of the provider include affordable prices for new customers, many tariff plans to choose from, a 30-day money-back guarantee, several additional services, special offers for regular customers, and stable server operation. To order hosted services, a website has been developed with detailed information about the company's products, terms of cooperation, and prices. Answers to questions and an extensive knowledge base allow even beginners to understand the capabilities of the provider and create their own internet project with its help. All information is conventionally structured into categories. So there are sections with information about domains, hosting, website builder, web design, Office 365, G Suite, security certificates, protection, affiliate program. All the information about the company is presented separately, including a large list of documents. If you wish, you can visit the provider's pages in social networks and the blog to keep abreast of the latest news and changes in the work of domain. How to register on the Domain.com website. The provider's website Domain.com has a login button. There is no separate registration form. To become a client of the company, you need to add the necessary services to the cart. If you choose a hosting package, the service will redirect to the search page for a domain name, which also needs to be added to the cart. Yearly domain protection and privacy will be added automatically. It can be disabled, but the administration warns that in this case, personal information, website, and domain may become vulnerable. The customer data will be listed in the public WHOIS database. The domain name and site will not be scanned for malware or monitored on blacklists. There will also be no security alerts to monitor unauthorized changes. After reviewing this information, the user can decide for himself whether he needs such protection. After leaving a service in the basket or deleting it, the client must click the Continue button. A new window will open a list of additional products that can be added to the order. It can be mail, website builder, SSL certificate, site log. A price will be indicated for each service. After that, a form will open in which you need to enter personal data, including the full address, select a payment method, familiarize yourself with the terms of auto renewal and provision of services, and also click on the Buy Now button. After payment, the client will have access to their personal account. Personal area. Without payment for services, you cannot get acquainted with your personal account. You can look at the appearance of an account in the knowledge base, where there are instructions for setting up an account, renewing domains. How do I buy a domain name on Domain.com? To buy a domain name, there is a selection on the website of the Domain.com company with the corresponding name. Each domain name registration includes many additional features, including site protection with free Let's Encrypt encryption, automatic forwarding of an email address to any other valid address, full control over DNS during the entire registration period, protection from any unauthorized transfer or hacking. The process of buying a domain on the site is simple and straightforward. To do this, use the name search bar, after which a registration form with detailed instructions will be offered. How to choose a domain name on a domain site. In the domain section of the domain.com website, there are several items for choosing a suitable name. These are domain search, premium domains, new domain extensions, and WHOIS search pages. Premium names are high-quality domains that have been previously registered but are available for sale at today's market value. A domain name is considered high quality if its name is shorter, regularly searched, close associated with the actual service or industry, and typically uses a TLD such as .com, .net, or .org. These domains are easier to write, easier to remember, and more intuitive. They help to present the business in the best possible light, giving the opportunity to compete with a unique, memorable premium name. Premium domains provide ample opportunities to maximize your branding and identity efforts. With a title that matches popular keywords, you can get better search results by ranking higher in the SERP. The new domain extensions section presents the top-level names. If in the past only 22 such extensions were used, now their number is increasing. Domain.com offers over 300 new domain zones already available for purchase. There are several options for registering such names. General availability. Domain name extensions are publicly available and can be protected on a first-come, first-served basis. The early access period serves as an alternative to registering priority domains for new zones. This option works on a sliding scale during the first week when a new domain becomes available. When a new domain becomes available, the setup fee will vary depending on the day the name was purchased. The sooner you register a new extension, the more expensive the price can be, since it is possible to get a perfect domain before anyone else. Trademark owner. This registration period is the earliest that a person can register a new domain. This option is only available to those whose trademarks have been verified by the Trademark Clearinghouse. Pre-registration. This phase allows you to enter your name before the desired domain extension enters a valid registration during the general availability period. This makes it possible to knock out others who wish to acquire the same name. Buying a domain on the site. After choosing a suitable domain and related services, you need to fill in your personal data. At the same stage, you need to choose a payment method and confirm the order. If order renewal is not enabled, the client will have to pay for each new period on his own through the domain control panel. All plans and products will automatically renew until the user cancels this feature. The renewal will be enabled for the same period and at the usual rates indicated in the control panel. The first prices are considered introductory, therefore they are offered with substantial discounts. The payment method that was selected at the first purchase will be used for renewals unless changed or cancelled. This can be done in your account or by calling the support service at the phone number listed on the website. Domain.com is an experienced domain registrar that provides additional services in the form of hosting, buying SSL certificates, online marketing, professional design, website builder, etc. The company has both advantages and disadvantages in its work. The first include the stability of the site, trouble-free operation, round-the-clock technical support, the ability to create an internet project in one place. Among the disadvantages are the high prices for domain renewal and hosting, as well as the auto-renewal function, which automatically withdraws funds from the client's account, even when the domain is inactive. All this suggests that the provider should pay attention to customer complaints and make possible changes in the provision of their services. If you've ordered packages from Domain.com, share your experience on this page. It will help other customers evaluate how safe and honest the service is and decide whether to use its capabilities. Also, all comments affect the compiled overall rating, which helps to compare similar projects.